Hello everyone, class 8. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So class, today here we have to study the chapter number 3. The chapter 3 is given as synthetic fiber and plastics. In this, the initial we have already completed about some topics, and here is the synthetic fiber, in which first one already we have discussed about the rayon. The second one given as nylon. So nylon is another synthetic type of a fiber that is composed of the polymers of the amide. That means this is the fiber, or this is the synthetic fiber that can be formed by the polymerization of a amide. It is made up of the repeated unit of the unimers. That is the chemical called as the unimers. Unimers matlab single. That means single. A single type of amide has to be repeated time to time. So suppose if there is a amide, then another amide, then another amide. Here we have to conclude about the characteristics of the nylon. Characteristics of nylon. As we have already learned about the characteristics, like it is very light weight, durable, stretch, and as well as having a very good elasticity. So by the numbers we have concluded about the characteristics of the nylon. What it is lightweight, durable. It is lightweight, durable. It's having excellent elasticity. Excellent elasticity, absorbs less moistures. Absorb less moistures. It can be dry easily. It dries easily. It is comfortable. It is easy to clean. It is easy to clean. Dry. It is easy to clean. Dry. The next one is here. It is resistance, or it is resistance of scratches. It is resistance of scratches and chemicals. So all these characteristics, on that basis it can be used in many segments of our life. So here is the uses of nylon. Now we have to learn about uses of nylon, where it can be used in our daily life. It can be used. It is frequently used in of sports wear, lingeries, due to having elasticity, sports person used the nylon. It can also be used it is used for making curtain, bed sheets, umbrella, raincoat. It is also used in conveyor belt, in case of tires, drapers also use draperies, parachutes. In it, all these cases, as we know, that is polyester. It is the polymer. It is also the form of a polymers. Why? Because it is manufactured from the simple or the monomers of the esters. Repeating unit of the nylon amide. At the same concern, the repeating unit of the ester, the polyester, can be made. Like if it is here, ester, number of esters. If it is the most number of ester, so here is form polyester. That means ester having N molecule, either the N molecule or the polymers, that is a polymolecule. So why it is called as the polyesters? It is the polyester formed due to the repeating unit of the esters. Many repeating unit of ester by polymerization made from, it can be made from using coal, air, water and petroleum. It can be made up of what? Using air, water, coal and petroleum. So it has the very primitive type of a product called as a terylene. Terylene is the first used polyester. First time the terylene is used in the form of a polyester. So what is the terylene? Terylene is a form of a polyester. Terylene, it is the first used polyester. Firstly, that first time it is derived from the petrochemicals, which is known as the terylene. Terylene also forms with the help of a cotton, and terylene with the help of a cotton form terrycot. It form terrycots, and you know very well, the person who are not able to purchase or gain the cotton cloths, so the terrycot is the best suitable alternate option for that particular type of a person. Why? Because it is not affordable by anyone. The cotton has a very cost. It is a very costly, due to which all of us we cannot be but we cannot be afford this type of a cloth. So in the alternate option to the cotton, there is a terrycloth is used, but it has the some demerits. Why? Because due to having it, there is due to having such a type of a cloth, there will be the wrinkles. That means it can produce its bad impact to the human being. So it cannot be used for a long period of a time. But the terylene also using in case of a wool form, terylene plus wool form terry wool, and terry wool is also a type of a woolen cloth that can be formed by using terylene. So it is another form of a polyester which is going to be used in case of a winter season. And here is all the characteristics about that. The polyester, that is what it is, a very strong, that can have the repeated use. It is a non-stretchable as well as the durable, strong, stretchable and durable. So it can used many times. It does not get wrinkled easily. It could not get wrinkled easily. Next is it does not sink, or it does not shrinks. It does not shrink, that means could not be shrink in this particular type. So here we can say it is the particular type of a substance or the fiber which is very strong, is stretchable, that is durable as best as durable. It is a hard, strong, and this can be used multiple times. This is all about the day-to-day for the topic. We will discuss more to the next day. So it is the chemicals, or it is the polymers. It is the chemical substances that can be formed by the polymerization, and these polymerizations of single unit, that is a monomers, are unimers. It is also called as monomers. It is what? The amide is a monomer, and repetition of these is converted into the polymers, that is polymers. So the nylon is formed by the polymerization of a single amide, and it is the nylon is the first synthetic fiber that can be obtained by, it can be obtained by the do not having, or it could not have any natural fiber in it. So without any natural fiber, or without any inclusion of any natural fibers, it could be made up of. Like it can be formed by the coal, petroleum, air and water. So this can be composed of the particular type of a substance. What are the different characteristics? Different characteristics of characteristics of nylon. That means its USP, the unique properties, or you can say the special features, like the characters, the properties or importance. What are the importance? How can we know that this is the nylon? Why? Because it is a very hard, it is a very is elastic, and it is lightweight. So here is, we can write down the different characteristics about that. The characteristics of the nylon. So it is what? It is a lightweight. It is a lightweight. So the repeated monomers, like a chemical substance which is in the form of a monomers, that is amide. So it is repeated more and more time, like amide, 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 and then this will form polyamide. This will form the polyamide. So the polymerization of a amide, so it is what we can say, the polymerization of unimers. That means the unimers get changes into the polymers. The amide is what? Unimers, and that will change into the polymers. And this is the process by which the nylon composed. Hello everyone, class 8. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So class, today here we have to study the chapter number 3. The chapter 3 is given as synthetic fiber and plastics. In this, the initial we have already completed about some topics, and here is the synthetic fiber, in which first one already we have discussed about the rayon. The second one given as nylon. So nylon is another synthetic type of a fiber that is composed of the polymers of the amide. That means this is the fiber, or this is the synthetic fiber that can be formed by the polymerization of a amide. It is made up of the repeated unit of the unimers. That is the chemical called as the unimers. Unimers matlab single. That means single. A single type of amide has to be repeated time to time. So suppose if there is a amide, then another amide, then another amide,